Tired of your emails landing in the spam folder? Let's fix that. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect a subdomain to Mailerlite, boosting your email deliverability and protecting your sender reputation. First, log into your Mailerlite account and navigate to the Domains section. You can find this under the Settings tab, then look for Domains. Click the Add Domain button. You'll be prompted to enter your subdomain. Now, this is important. Instead of your main domain, like yourdomain.com, enter a subdomain such as emailyourdomain.com. This isolates your marketing emails from your website's general email traffic. Mailerlite will then provide you with specific DNS records that you need to add to your domain registrar's settings. This usually involves logging into where you bought your domain, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or similar, and finding the DNS management section. You'll need to add a type of record and to type TXT records. Be sure to copy and paste each value carefully. After adding the DNS records, return to Mailerlite. It may take up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate. You'll see a pending verification status next to your subdomain. Once the DNS records have propagated, click the Verify button in Mailerlite. If everything is set up correctly, the status will change to Verified. Congratulations! Your subdomain is now connected to Mailerlite. Sending emails through your subdomain will improve your email deliverability, protect your main domain's reputation, and help your messages land in the inbox. Remember to warm up your IP by slowly increasing your email volume. Happy emailing!